Here is our Tkinter application where I can add the data. Say I have just inserting some data, and you can see the unique one like a ticket number or a registration number or a reference number is generated. Now this reference number has one AB. This is a string. You can use any other string based on your logic, and then it has a year 2023 and the month, and the 22 is the date. So year, month, date added to it, and then 4 zeros and 1 8. This 8 is the unique number. Now if I'll add one more record, say it will give me 9. So you can see here this ID 9 here is also displayed, and this, and you can see the moment I give an ID is generated from the database, this also added with left side 4 zeros. Actually the total space allotted is 5. So moment it is 9 now, so 4 zeros are added. Now if I'll add one more record, I'm just some dummy data I am inserting, and I am look at it. Now this is 3 zeros are there. So total length will be always remain 5, and the left side of it the character or the positions will be filled with 0. For this we have used our 0 field. So this became a unique string ID which comes from the database. Once you store some data, it can be a user reference, user complaint, or a reference number, a ticket number, or a PNR number, anything you can use it. And it's a string, date, and the unique ID.